Unlock the power of Kajabi to craft landing pages that don't just look good, but actively convert visitors into loyal customers. Let's dive into making your Kajabi landing pages truly shine. Step by step first, focus on layout and visual appeal. Kajabi's intuitive editor is your playground when starting. Think, less is more. Avoid overwhelming your visitor with too much information at once. Begin with a strong foundation. Choose a clean Kajabi template or start with a blank canvas. Your headline should be crystal clear and immediately tell visitors what they'll gain. Follow this with a concise subheadline that expands on the benefit. Visuals are crucial. Use high-quality, relevant images or videos that support your message and evoke emotion. Next, let's talk compelling copywriting. Your words need to resonate deeply with your target audience. Focus on benefits, not just features. How will your offer solve their problems or improve their lives? Use clear, concise language. Bullet points are your best friend for scanning complex information and highlighting key advantages. Build trust and credibility. Incorporate social proof where possible. Circumflex euros. Think testimonials, client logos, or even positive review snippets. This reassures potential leads that others have benefited from your offer. Now, the magic happens with call to action optimization. Your CTA is the gateway to conversion. Make it stand out. Use action-oriented language like "Get yours now," "Download your free guide," or "Start your journey today." Ensure your CTA button is a bright, contrasting color that grabs attention on the page. Place it strategically, where visitors are most likely to be ready to act. Consider repeating your CTA at different points on the page for maximum impact, especially on longer landing pages. By focusing on these layout, copywriting, and CTA strategies within Kajabi, you'll create landing pages that not only look fantastic, but also drive meaningful results for your business.